I want to show you how to make a zoom-through screen transition in Premiere Pro. You'll need two clips for this effect. The top layer should have the screen clip, and the bottom should be the one it's transitioning to. To get started, we need to create an opacity mask, or if you have a green screen, go over to Effects and find Alt key and add it to the top video. Under Effect Controls, go down to Key Color and select the dropper. Then go over to your preview window and click on the green screen. Expand Matte Generation and change the value of Tolerance and Pedestal to 100. Now click the Keyframe button for both scale and position, then move your timeline slider ahead 10 frames. Increase the scale and adjust your X and Y position until the clip is fully zoomed through the top video layer.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.